Hello YouTubers, I'm working on an Eagle Signal Corporation electromechanical timer. This is for traffic lights. This is the dial that rotates. This is designated on the outside, those numbers, for percentage of the cycle. You have your tabs right here for when the red, yellow, and greens change. This center gear right here, this is an indicator that shows you that I have a 45-second gear in here right now. So 45 seconds completes the cycle. Down here you have a mechanical flasher. Operates the cam back here. Got your manual switches for flash on and off, which runs through this relay pack. The inside of the timer itself, you have your motor, a magnetic brake, brake release when the motor's on, brake engage when the motor's off, coil packs for the motor, so you gotta do some rewiring. Right here, this knob, you loosen this, it rotates the idle gear assembly right here to adjust for the different diameter gears for the cycles. So you have the 45-second final gear, and down here you have additional gears. See different diameters for the cycle seconds. More seconds, the larger the diameter gear is. Over here you have the solenoid that lifts and drops this hammer. Energize lifts the hammer, de-energize drops the hammer, which then with a dog type cam assembly will rotate the cam itself, which then changes the output switches right here for all the individual red, yellow, and greens. One of those is designated as a master for resetting the unit. You get out of manual operation. And I'm going to turn it on so you can see what goes on. So now we got the gear rotating, or the dial, I'm sorry, the dial rotating. There's all the gears and the motor operating. Brake disengage. See the hammer going up. Dropping and rotating the cam, which then changes red, yellow, and greens. And that is all done from up here. You can see inside there all the phases. A little spark action. Pretty neat little setup. It's amazing what they used to come up with all the way back in the day. All now replaced by solid state technology, microprocessing, but none of the new stuff will last as long as this old equipment does. I'm sure this thing will outlive me. Anyhow, enjoy. And when I get this fully restored, I'll make another video.